Hi everyone, Leon Uri here from Haka for Life. Hey, thanks for joining us on our Haka for Tukka cooking show. It's a quick, fun way of cooking and a demonstration to men that cooking is fun in the kitchen. Really healthy recipes for those that may be struggling in life or those that are supporting people that want to get healthy again. So I'm joined by my wonderful friend Sophie Budd. We're going to show you some quick, great, easy and healthy meals. So we're zhooshing again. So what's the whole idea of me doing this?
Just to get a little bit of water over the top of them there.
Oh, okay.
And so you'll start to see that clear sort of nucleus around there is getting whiter.
Yep.
And that means that egg white is getting more cooked-er.
Cool. Now, how do I know whether they're runny or not runny? Because different people like their eggs differently, eh?
How do you like your eggs?
I don't mind it with a bit of runny in it.
All right.
Not too runny, not too hard.
So again, see this one in particular?
Yes.
It's still really golden in the middle.
Yes.
So that's still a runny egg. So we want to have the egg white cooked, but the runny middle, yeah?
Yeah.
So do a little zhuzh again.
Is zhuzh like a Cornwall saying?
Zhuzh, I don't know.
Something you picked up in a French restaurant or something?
And that one?
Zhuzh.
And see, you can see that's a little bit wobbly around the egg yolk, whereas this one is looking a bit more cooked. So I'm just going to have a look. Always lift it from the yolk side and shake it on just so that you don't break it. And then see how it's wibbly wobbly in the middle?
Yes.
It's firm around here.
Yep.
That is a perfectly cooked egg, in my opinion. If you want the egg yolk harder, then just leave it in there for longer.
Cool.
So I'm going to put that on this plate.
One thing I've never done in my life, Soph, and that's complained if I don't cook anything. So if I'm not the cook of some food, I don't complain about it.
So you like being fed?
Well, yeah, I suppose.
Isn't that everybody?
Yeah, but if I suppose I'd just taken up on your comment there that it was a perfectly cooked egg according to you.
See how that's wobbly in the middle?
Yes.
Okay, if you grab yourself a knife and fork, just move that out of the way.
This is the part about the cooking show that I love.
Would you like a bit of salt and pepper?
Yes.
Do you like lots of pepper?
I think I do today.
I love loads of pepper. A sprinkle of salt. And imagine you got toast, maybe a sourdough butter.
Yeah, I like sourdough.
On that point, if you're not home much, buy a loaf of bread that's sliced, put it in the freezer, and just take out a couple of slices at a time, rather than leaving your lovely fresh bread out and it going stale and you could chuck half of it away.
Yeah.
Okay, mange. Ooh.
That looks pretty good now. That is nice.
Good.
Didn't burn my mouth this time.
So that is a really simple, quick dinner. Poached eggs on imaginary toast.
Well, thanks, Soph. Short and simple today. That's how you poach your eggs. Bye.